wanted to play. We brought a balloon to brighten the day. C caught a cloud and painted it blue. They danced with ducks who said quack too. E found an egg that wobbled around. F flew a feather it picked from the ground. G giggled with goats on a grassy hill. Hummed a tune that was happy and still. I made an igloo from sugar and snow. J juggled jelly beans high and low. K kicked a kite that zoomed through the sky. L laughed so loud the leaves flew by. M met a monkey munching on pie. N named the stars as night drew nigh. O opened doors to oceans so wide. P painted penguins who slipped and slide. Q quietly quilted a blanket of stars. R rode a rocket past Venus and Mars. Skipped on sunshine shiny and bright. T tickled turtles with pure delight. U used an umbrella to catch the rain. V visited valleys by rainbow train. Whistled with whales in the deep blue sea. X played a xylophone, ting ting wee. Yawned softly, it's almost night. Z zipped to bed with the moon as a light. And all of the letters from A to Z dreamed happy dreams as friends, you see.